Are you dumb? We will show you national animals and you need to guess the right country. Pause the video if you needed more time. Guess the country. Don't forget, you have only 10 seconds. This is national bird of the United States. American bald eagles have 4 to 5 times greater vision than humans. They are able to see small prey, such as rabbits, as far away as 2 kilometers because of their excellent peripheral vision and focus. Guess the country. The right country is Spain. Did you know that bullfighting is a tradition that has a strong connection to Hispanic identity and culture? It is in no way regarded as a sport, but a highly ritualized event rather than a contest. Guess the country. The right country is Iraq. It is amazing that Iraqi goats are clean and incredibly agile and balanced. They can climb trees in addition to surviving in perilous rocky settings. Amazing, right? Guess the country. The right answer is Turkey. The gray wolf of Turkey have keen hearing and smell senses, which help them hunt successfully. Gray wolves are also incredibly tough and resilient creatures, capable of pursuing their prey day and night if necessary. Guess the country. The right country is Norway. Majestic lions in Norway have served as a representation of strength, dignity, and courage among kings. The lion is now regarded as a vulnerable species and is only found in somewhat remote areas of Africa. Guess the country. The right country is Bolivia. Did you know that llamas don't need much water because they get their water from the plants they eat? This enables them to survive in less than ideal environments, such as the Bolivian Altiplano. Guess the country. The right country is Malaysia. Cubs are born blind because their eyes are completely closed at birth. Usually between 6 and 12 days after birth, their eyes begin to open, and after 2 weeks, they have complete vision. Guess the country. The right country is Myanmar. Male peafowl are distinguished by their showy plumage and piercing sounds. The latter is particularly noticeable in Asian species because they exhibit a tail or train of covert feathers with eye spots during courtship rituals. Guess the country. The right country is Afghanistan. The snow leopard's long, flexible tail aids in keeping it balanced in the rough environment. Due to fat storage, the tail is also very thick and covered in a thick layer of fur. Guess the country. Vietnam is the right country. In Vietnam, water buffaloes are frequently the poor farmers' most prized possessions. The second animal zodiac in the Vietnamese calendar is the water buffalo. How many countries did you get right? Comment your score below. If you got less than 5 points, then you are definitely dumb.